Hey, good morning everyone. Welcome back to Axiom's live session. Today's agenda for this live session is to explore Power BI. As you all know, for the data visualization purpose, the popular tools are NIME, Tableau, and Power BI. Power BI gain its popularity for if you have a data sheet in the form of uh, MS Excel or any other database. So we need to install Power BI, import data, and generate the data visualizations like graphs, various types of graphs. At the same time, you can able to create various reports on it. Because of the easiness and easy to configure with all leading databases, Power BI gains much more popularity in developers community. Our today's agenda is to just configure Power BI with web database where on the server the data is going to populate, data is going to accumulate. So let's configure Power BI and use this data populated in a on the server for the data visualization so that we can use Power BI with runtime data stored on the server for the data analytics purpose. At the same time, we can generate the customized reports as per the client's requirements. With me, Team Axiom is there who will give us all the guidelines related to the what is exactly Power BI, the utility, the uh, how to configure, at the same time how we can able to use this Power BI and the potential of Power BI for data visualizations and generating customized reports. So today we will be taking into considerations of PHP applications. We develop a PHP applications by which we can read the clientele data, populate on the database server, and then configure with Power BI and able to generate the data visualizations, data analytics, and the uh, customized reports. As we know that uh, like to generate the reports, right? Because many times in the web applications, whenever client is asking for customizing reports and the printable doc in the printable document formats, so we have to write up like obviously in case of any web applications to generate the graphs, even you have to write the n line of code, n number of line of code, and configuring various third-party tools. So if you can use Power BI just to integrate with the web applications, so the data which we are accumulating on the database server, right, can be utilized for data analysis, right? At the same time, the customizing the client reports. Earlier we were using Crystal reports with the .NET applications popularly, but as other web applications are in demand nowadays, MERN, Mean, and PHP. So to configure these all the uh, data reports, right? To generate the data reports, to configure the tools, Power BI plays a very important and very vital role. It got a very large extensibility with the various other tools and the web applications available over there. So over to Team Axiom, let's explore how we can use Power BI and configure it with the PHP application so that we can able to develop data analytical like applications, at the same time the reporting tools as well, right? So the title is exploring Power BI for data visualizations and customized data reports. Over to you, Tim Exio.
Hello friends, today we gathered on the live stream for the topic name Power BI. So we will discuss on the Power BI, what is Power BI, why to use Power BI, and what are the key features of the Power BI. So let's start from here. The contents are the what is Power BI and what are the key features of the Power BI and the rise of Microsoft Power BI as a data analytic powerhouse, why to use Power BI, basic fundamentals and the structure of Power BI, why Power BI is best business intelligence platform. So here we go. First point, what is Power BI? So the Power BI is a business intelligence tools developed by the Microsoft that enables users to visualize and share insight from their data. Also, it is widely used for data analysis, reporting, and interactive dashboards. So, Power BI also provides a user-friendly interface so that the user can easily access that allows individual and organization to connect to various data sources, transform the data, and clean the data, create interactive reports and dashboards, and share this insight with others. Here is the simple diagrammatic representation of Power BI. The various types of events, Event Hub, SQL database, machine learning, and the spreadsheet. These are the data. From here, we share the data to the Power BI. Using Power BI, we can generate the data. We can generate the data visualization. Is like the we provide the information to the Power BI, and it will generate the visualization in the form of graphical form or in the box plot or in the various types of data visualization are provided in the Power BI. Here are the some key features of the Power BI includes the first is data connectivity. Also, we can connect to a wide range of data sources, including databases, spreadsheets, cloud services, and online services like Azure, SQL Server, Excel, SharePoint, and more. These are the some services that we can get online after the data transformation. Here we can transform the data. It means user can clean or transform and it can give the shape to their data using Power Query, a data preparation tool integrated into Power BI. Also, we can use the data modeling. Power BI allows user to create data models by defining relationship between different data tables and enabling complex and data analysis. Visualization. The user can also visualize the data. Also, he can create interactive and visually appealing charts, graphs, maps, and tables to represent data in a meaningful way so that we can visualize the historical data. The next is dashboard. In the Power BI, the dashboard provides the consolidated view of key metrics and visualization, allowing user to monitor and analyze their data at a glance. The collaboration, it means Power BI enables collaboration by allowing user to share reports and dashboards with others, both with the outside their organization. This can be done through Power BI service or by embedding reports into website and applications. The seventh is security and governance. Also, they provides the security. Power BI provides the features for data security, access control, and auditing to ensure that sensitive data is protected. Mobile accessibility. Power BI offers mobile apps for iOS and also Android devices, allowing user to access reports and dashboard on the go. These are the means the rise of Microsoft BI as we can use the Microsoft Power BI to analyze the data. Also, it is meant to be data analytic powerhouse. Today, analytic and machine learning both greatly benefit from data science, which deals with data. Finding pattern and interesting findings is made easier with the use of data science and exploratory data analysis. Through data exploration, EDA enables us to learn about the entirely new facet of data, maximizing earning while also boosting organizational effectiveness is the main equation in business intelligence. Is the process of analyzing data and extracting insightful managerial knowledge. Also, a software program for business intelligence and analytics is called Microsoft Power BI. User may collect and share data using this platform. Means it can create the report or we can visualize the data and many other analytical tools. A software program for business intelligence and analytics is called Microsoft Power BI. User may collect and share data using the platform report and also it can use the analytical tools of that Microsoft Power BI with these features that are simple to use. Microsoft Power BI is accessible to user for all technical backgrounds. User can integrate data sets from many sources using Microsoft Power BI and carry out sophisticated data analysis. Why to use Power BI? So we will think about why to use Power BI. Power BI is a new cloud-based business intelligence service provided by the Microsoft and derived from its year of experience in relational database like Access, SQL Server, etc. It is a business intelligence platform that allows businesses to clean and completely transform data into meaningful data. It thoroughly analyzes data and shares powerful insights. These are the basic fundamentals and structure of Power BI. Uh, Late in 2010, the initial concept of Power BI was created and the project Crescent was published by the following year. The platform moniker was modified to Power BI in 2013, where BI stands for the business intelligence. Initially, the Power Query, Power Pivot, and the Power View adds in for the Excel service served as the foundation of the product. These are the three principles of the interact with Power BI in the Power BI desktop. These are the three principles. The first is Power BI desktop, the second one is Power BI services, and the last one is Power BI mobile apps. Also, we can use this the Power BI desktop, data modeling, dashboards, development, report, creation, and the data extraction are all possible with Power BI desktop. A desktop program, the Power BI desktop is desktop software for the Windows. Means it can be accessible for the window user. He can create the data. He can access the data. He can extract the data. And the next one is Power BI service. The Power BI service is an online SaaS service. SaaS stands for software as a service. It gives the solution. The next is Power BI mobile app. User can also interact with Power BI dashboards and the reports via Power BI mobile app. The application are available for the mobile user also. They can access the data from the mobile app also. It is also available for the iOS device, also for the Android, also for the Windows. Below are the some key features. Below are the some reasons why Power BI is best BI platform currently in the market. The first one is ease to use, and the second is easy to learn. Third is easy to collaborate, cost effective, wide coverage of data storage, powerful tools, visualization, data shaping, and the data modeling. These are the some few reasons for the using the Power BI. It's a business intelligence platform currently in the market. Uh, it is very useful for the business intelligence to access the to extract the data in the form of report or the dashboards. I'll give a simple example for the ease to use. Power BI is very simple and easy to use interface. No programming experience is required to use Program BI. It is built inbuilt intelligence which helps you to select attribute for your report by suggesting the best reporting element. Uh, Also, the marketplace that comes with it provides a lot of reporting capability. We can use the Power BI. The next one is easy to learn. Also, it is very easy to learn. The Power BI is developed on the founding platform of Excel and it follows a similar approach to design a report. Microsoft Excel globally accept a widely used software which makes Power BI easy to learn. Also, it is easy to collaborate. The Power BI comes with a easy to collaborate option. The user can collaborate with co-workers to create interactive report and the dashboards in app or workspace. The user can compile dashboard and report into apps and can publish them to a large audience. Sharing dashboard for a report with a small audience is facilitated even over the mobile app with Power BI. The next is cost effective. Also, the it is cheap. The Power BI desktop is free. Also, there is a pro version for the large audience data sharing. So the Power BI desktop is free and the user can develop report and the dashboard that are easy and complex. The pro license is of Power BI are within the affordable range. It is approximately 10 USD per 10 USD dollar per month. For a large audience, Power BI has a premium option which allows you to customize costing based on your audience usage. The next is wide coverage of data sources. Data sources. The Power BI comes with a wide range of connectors for data sources like Microsoft Excel, SQL Server Database, MySQL Database, Oracle Database, and the many more are there. The next is powerful tool. Uh, it also provides the powerful tools such as visualization, data shaping, and the data modeling. In the visualization, it's a simple term we can say. It provides the report as in that visualization form. Uh, Microsoft has opened up the visualization SDK in Power BI. It has the huge library for custom visualization. Use this functionality that user can customize and the UI as per their needs. Also, we can use the data shaping tool for generating the reports. Power BI offers a tool called Query Editor, which is very flexible and powerful with tons of features. The most important aspect is that it is a self-documenting. It also offers you an opportunity to go deeper inside the DAX language. The last is data modeling. Any BI solution is strong if the business intelligence model is well developed. Power BI comes with a very effective data modeling option based on their experience of SQL database and the Cube technology. There are many more competitors of Power BI which offers similar features like Zoho Report, IBM Watson Analytic, Csense, Google, many such as the Power BI stands tall in the market, mainly based on the ease of use and prompt Microsoft helps available for the tools. So this was a simple presentation by me. My name is Swapnil Kantiwar and I am a team member and I am also working in the Axiom VIP. So Sandeep sir will give you the demonstration on the Power BI, how we can generate the data visualization using the report. Over to you, Sandeep sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Swapnil. Hello, everyone. My name is Sandeep, and I'm going to uh, demonstrate the Power BI through a data set. So let's explore this. I hope my screen is visible to all of you. So for this demonstration, we are using Power BI, PHP, and MySQL. So MySQL is used for the storing the data, and we are going to use PHP to collect the data. So here our form. So this is made in a PHP technology, and we collect the data from this form and save in the database. So here is the database. So for this all this setup, we require XAMPP server to run the PHP and MySQL in a local. So let's start server and MySQL database. So by using this form, we have collected multiple of data. So all the data is in front of you. You can see all data is here. So let's gather one more data or dummy data. So his designation is let's give him as a trainee, experience of 1 year in a development, and he has joined last year. And date of birth, we are going to enter the date of birth. And he's from India. Let's state is yeah. So submit is, so our data is successfully added in the database. So let's see it is added or not. So here it is, our latest data is saved in the database. So now we are going to visualize this all the data by using the Power BI. So for that we have to we need to download Power BI first. So there is two options to download Power BI. When you one is from the Microsoft Store, and second one is from the web. So in simply open the Chrome or any browser and write Power BI desktop, and the first link you have to open. Here when you click download free, it will redirect to your Microsoft Store, or you can download from here also. Standalone exe application file from here by selecting languages. So I prefer to download by using the Microsoft Store. So here you have to download from here, install it and open it. When you open that Power BI, it will look like this. If you already buy the license for the Power BI desktop, you can simply log in, or you can buy from here, or you can also use for free, but in a limited configuration. So here our Power BI, you can see the dashboard. Here our workspace. In this workspace, we are going to visualize our data. Here some filters to filter the data. Here visualization charts. By using this charts and pie charts, some graphically things you can use and generate the report. And here the data, whatever data you fetch, all the data is going to view here. So for that you have to take the data. So let's take data. we are going to use the MySQL for data. So you can see here multiple data sources. From that you can take the data. So we are going to use MySQL database. See, we got some error that we require some additional component to connect with the MySQL. So simply for that we require connector for the MySQL. To download that, you have to search on the Google MySQL connector. So we are using a web version of database and desktop version of application, that is Power BI. So in Windows, maximum application is supported by .NET runtime. So that's why we require .NET connector for the MySQL. Here, download it, simply download it. Or the second option is you can simply click here, learn more. When you simply click learn more, see such same interface open, that this interface is also same. So by according to your system, you can download the versions, different versions of the connector that suitable to your system. For this demonstration, I require, or my system support lower version of the connector, because my SQL is a lower version. So downgrade the version of the connector and simply download it. I already have downloaded it, so I will simply use it, install it. So for installing connector, I had to stop the MySQL. Otherwise, some issue may be occur. Issue like your SQL will be maybe crash. Like last night, I have my crash, so I have fixed that. So simply turn off for the precaution. So my connector is already downloaded. Now restart the Microsoft Power BI. It is starting. Let's start our SQL database server by using XAMPP control panel. Now our Power BI started. Let's take the data. Now see, it will not give me the error here. Now it is loading the asking for the server, that we are using the local server. The local server, you can, if you don't know, so you can simply see here port number is 330 and the server is localhost. Simply put that. And where is our data, or where and database? So let's check it first. See here, my database name is test and table name is employee. So simply enter the database name, that is test, and press OK. When you press OK, so all the data set which is all the table which is in which is present in a database will be appear here, like career, employee, inquiry, YouTube. So see here, career, employee, inquiry, and YouTube. So we require employee data, that Axiom employee data that we collected from the from Axiom TechGuru Pvt Limited. So select the test employee data. If you want to transform data, you can transform the data. Like if you don't need any column, some data is not required, so you can transform data, or you can simply load the data. So let's transform the data. So for the demonstration, we don't require the ID. If you aware of that, ID is not correct here, so let's remove it, and you can simply edit according to your choice. So simply like here, name is not proper way, so I will put here in a proper way. Each capitalize each word. See here, date of joining. So we simply have to write date of joining in full for the understanding purpose. So let's do that very quickly. So in this way, you can transform your data, and if you don't require any field, you can remove that. So now our data is ready. So simply apply, or if you don't require anything, so remove that. So from top left corner, simply apply and close and apply. So our data is loading, and the loaded data will be shown here in this column. So see here, city, country, date of birth, joining, designation, experience, name, and state of the employee will be appear here. So here our working workspace. So down there, number of pages you can add. So let's work on the first page first. We already take the data. So let's choose the name and state. So see, automatically it is make me a table for me that suitable for these two data. But if you don't want to show the data in a tabular format, you can choose from here. Then you can choose the fields. So let's remove that and delete this. So I'm going to choose the bar chart. For that, this visualization is for what? So let's rename it. This is for visualization of Axiom employee data. So simply choose in a proper way that it should be look in a proper manner. So you can choose color also. So I am choosing saffron color. So now we are set. So simply move it to at the top. So yeah, now it's look perfect. Now our chart. So in this chart, we are going to visualize the employee and who have experience, much experience. So let's select the name for the x-axis and the experience for the y-axis. You can simply drag and drop, or you can simply choose. So name, it will take automatically according to the bar chart. See that what is suitable for the default, or you can customize from this up and down by doing that. So let's select date of joining to. So in this I just require year only. So remove all the things. So see here, we can see that when they join the company, and here number of experience, but here written sum of experience. You can also change that. Okay. And now we are going to it is not look good. Let's do the some changes, like on x-axis, x-axis values, and you can change their fonts family, their size. See, size is increasing. You can make bold, so bold look good. And here title, so title is year. It is not look in a proper way, so let's make it proper. Like I will choose, now it's looking good. You can increase the font size, and I am choosing the color like blue as year. And for the y-axis, this is for the value. Change the color of value. Let's select this color. And for the title, make it bold. Choose the color as it is. Now it's looking good now. Okay, now let's select next one, that is map. That in from which state or which city the employees belongs to. So I am going to choose the country, state, and this city. The country and this city. I think it is not up here. Okay, now it's look perfect. Now when you select, see, okay, back to chart. So we cannot visualize in a proper manner. So what we have to do? So just add the slicer. Here slicer, select it. Inside that you can select sort by country or city and the state and the name. So let's see what is going on. So in everyone is from India. So let's see the visualizing the states. So from Nagpur, so maximum peoples are from, or maximum employee are from the Nagpur, like Aditya Savka, Himanshu, Mr. Rahul, Mr. Sushisa, Nutan. So, and from the Amravati, only one employee is from the Amravati. So, in this way, we can visualize the data, and let's visualize all the data in a tabular format that we can easily look. We can easily look at the all the data. So simply click table and select all the field one by one from the name first. According to you, you can choose name, then designation, then experience, then date of joining, then date of birth, then country, then state, then city. So now it's look good, but we have to format this. So let's do the visualize things like column header, or we can use preset. Like preset is default, but now it's looking good. Yeah, now it look fine. You can also change the color. Now it's alternate row. Value size. Now it look perfect. So in this way we can visualize the data. So I have created some more dashboards. Let's open that and see. So by using same data, we visualize like when we select from Bihar which employee is present. So only one, that is Sandeep, and from the Maharashtra there is multiple peoples, and they have a number. Sushi sir had 25 year of experience. Mr. Rahul sir had 8 year of experience, and this 25 how it come here. So simply in here, first you have to select the chart, then data labels. When you click off, it will not visual. Now you will select this on, then it will be visualized, and you can set the position, value position, value style, their font family. So in this way we can customize the values visualization. Now look here, I have converted that data in look this type of, and change the background, and here that how many people have 1 year experience, how many people have 2 year experience, how many people have 3, and how many people have 8. According to our data set, it will automatically shown here when you choose matrix table. So this is a matrix table that 1 year of experience, the total number of people is 9. 2 year of experience, the total number of people is 4. 3 year of experience, total number of employees 1. Same for total number of experience 8, and for same for 25. So here we have total 16 employee, and we have successfully visualized all their data by using their data. So in this way, you can visualize the data by using Power BI. And one more thing I have to tell you guys. So one question arises that what happened when data is continuously added in the database? What to do at that time? So I'm going to tell you that here incremental refresh is available, but this is for only premium person only, or organization only. So first, for that you have to buy the Power BI, or you can use refresh data every time. When you refresh data, so updated data will be added automatically and shown in your already created dashboard. So let's do a demo again for entering one data from the form of Axiom. Let's add one more user. Let's select designation, senior software developer. Let's view the demo or experience. Okay, now we set. When you submit, the data is added successfully here. That is Roshan Singh, but that data is not shown here. Like let's say we already previously created the in tabular data. You can look that Roshan is not available here. When you I already told you that for the real-time data we required a premium version, but for right now we don't have premium, so we simply refresh the data. So when you refresh the data, so data will be fetched and all the data will be shown here, that Roshan Singh is available here. See, so in this way you can take the data or get the data, updated data from the database. So I am done with the tutorial. Hope you have understood all the things. And I'm going to thanks Sushil sir thanks you for giving me this opportunity to explain the Power BI yeah, thank you so much.
Hey, Swapnil and Sandeep, this is wonderful elaborations about the Power BI. And I like the idea that you real time create the waveforms and accept the data of employees for Axiom, and then put into the database. And on that real time data, you're able to generate the data visualizations and the printable data reports. So the agenda for today to explore Power BI for uh, generating data analytical reports like a graphical visualizations, at the same time the printable data reports, that is over. I hope you guys like this idea, at the same time, as we know, while serving to industry, many times we need data visualizations tools for the data analytics, graphical visualizations, as well as for the generating printable, customized like clientele reports. So as I told you earlier, we are using crystal reports for this purpose, but nowadays, because of the compatibility and because of the like portability with with the various softwares, right? We migrate to Power BI. The purpose of today's explorations of Power BI. Hope you enjoyed that much, and you will start utilizing Power BI for the data visualizations and customizing reports. Thank you very much again, guys, and join us if you need any other topics exploration, so that together we can prepare ourselves to serve the best to the industry. Have a great rest day ahead, guys. Your comments, your suggestions are always welcome. Please connect us and explore the technical topics and be a part of that technical team which can serve better and the best to the industry. Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, sir.